Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to explore an exciting scientific technique, nuclear magnetic resonance, or NMR spectroscopy. NMR is a powerful tool used to investigate the structure and dynamics of molecules. It works by examining the unique properties of atomic nuclei when placed in a magnetic field and interacting with radiofrequency radiation. This interaction provides us with detailed information about the arrangement and behavior of atoms within a molecule. Throughout this session, we'll uncover how NMR reveals the molecular secrets that shape everything around us, from everyday substances to cutting-edge medical treatments. Let's dive into the fascinating world of NMR. Now, let's dive into the core concept of NMR, the magnetic behavior of nuclei. Every nucleus in a molecule behaves differently based on its surroundings. This is due to factors like the types of bonds it's involved in, the electron density around it, and how close other atoms are. All these factors influence the local magnetic environment, which helps us identify each nucleus's role within the molecule. Each type of nucleus, like hydrogen or carbon, reacts differently when placed in a magnetic field. Because of this, each nucleus has a distinct resonant frequency. These unique frequencies are what we measure in NMR, and they give us important clues about the nucleus's environment and its interactions with nearby atoms. Let's now explore how NMR detects the structure of molecules by observing the energy transitions in atomic nuclei. Nuclei within a molecule have specific energy levels. These levels are influenced by their interaction with a magnetic field, and they correspond to different orientations of the nucleus's spin. When radiofrequency radiation is applied with the correct energy, it causes a transition between these energy levels. Essentially, it flips the spin of the nucleus, changing its energy state. Each nucleus requires a specific frequency of radiation to flip between energy levels. This frequency is unique to each type of nucleus and its local environment. NMR detects this energy absorption, which is how we can study the molecular structure. Now, let's see how NMR helps us uncover important details about the structure of molecules. Every nucleus in a molecule absorbs radiation at a specific frequency, which is unique to its chemical environment. This is similar to a fingerprint, allowing us to identify specific atoms and groups in the molecule. By analyzing these unique frequencies, we can determine the structure of the entire molecule. This helps us figure out the types of atoms present and how they are connected together. In addition to identifying individual atoms, specific peaks in the NMR spectrum correspond to functional groups within the molecule. These peaks give us important clues about the chemical makeup and properties of the molecule. Now, let's talk about the quantitative side of NMR, how we measure and analyze the intensity of the signals. The intensity of a peak in the NMR spectrum tells us how many nuclei are present in a given environment. The taller or broader the peak, the more nuclei there are that are absorbing radiation at that specific frequency. By comparing the intensities of different peaks, we can determine how much of each type of nucleus is present in the molecule. This helps us understand the proportions of different elements and isotopes in the compound. When we combine both qualitative and quantitative analysis, we get a complete understanding of the molecule. We can determine its structure, composition, and even how its atoms move or interact with each other. As we wrap up, let's reflect on the significance of NMR spectroscopy in our quest to understand matter at the molecular level. NMR is a powerful tool that has revolutionized how we explore the structure, dynamics, and interactions of molecules. By allowing us to see the atomic details within complex substances, it plays a crucial role in various fields, from chemistry to biochemistry, and even in the pharmaceutical industry. As technology advances, researchers are developing more sophisticated NMR techniques, which will provide even deeper insights into the world around us. With NMR, we are just beginning to unlock the secrets of matter, and the future holds exciting discoveries. Thank you for your time and attention. I hope this lecture gave you a deeper understanding of the power and importance of NMR spectroscopy. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.